91% growth with a drawdown of only 5%. I got these results by using the Quantitative Bull Forex Scalper EA available on the MT5 marketplace free of cost. In this video, I will present you all the results and reports in detail. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back to TradingBotLab. I'm your host Abdul, and in this video I will briefly explain you how I get these results. I do in-depth optimization of the Quantitative Bull Forex Scalper. You can download, the link is in the description. For details, let's move to my screen, and here you can see I'm using Quantitative Bull Forex Scalper on the gold with a 5-minute time frame on the last 2 years of the history. All these settings are visible to you with the deposit of $200, and I am using cent account with a leverage of 2000 leverage. The optimization is already completed. Here in the optimization results, you can see I got all these settings. There is a lot of completed testing and all results are here. The highest recovery factor is 9.9 with a profit of $182, and the total trades are 723. I already analyzed all these results, and you can see here in my Excel I applied some filtrations to figure out the best result in this optimization, and I find the best result is with the highest recovery factor. So come back to the MT5 and simply sort this in descending order. Right click on it and run single test. Once the testing started, we will see a graph going up or down. The single test process is completed, and here you see how the graph is going upward without any big drawdown. And now let's move to the back test. Look here, the history quality is 100% and the total net profit is $182 with a drawdown of $18. The total number of trades are 723 with the win ratio is 82%, and this is the most profitable EA in our list. Below here you can see the profit and losses by month. And you see here all these months are closed in the profit, while the December closed with a little loss, but all other months are with good profit. Below here are some other graphs, and here is the set file. Only the VIP members are able to get access to these best input set files of any bot available on the TradingBotLab.com. Also, you can see the live result of this bot, how it is performing on my live trading account under the section of live results on the TradingBotLab.com. I hope you understand these results very well. So for now, that's it. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.